Fuel your body in a natural way. Our juice for today is made up of lemon, ginger, celery, cucumber, broccoli, and honeydew melon. It's a nature's blend to detoxify your body, reduce inflammation, and support digestion. We will call it Nature's Boost. Let's do it! The lemon. Cheers! Different taste. Taste of the ginger. A little bit sour, bitter, and sweet. I cannot taste and smell the broccoli. So refreshing. This is good for a diet. I have read that it's good for reducing belly fat. I love it. I definitely like it. Let's go green. This is Nature's Boost.